fire caused, then mostly water is used as a fire extinguisher, and we all know the reason is that the water is easily available and it is cheap. That is why water is mostly used as a fire extinguisher. But if there is a fire caused on an electrical device or electrical fire, then water cannot be used, because using of water will give electric shock. If there is a fire caused due to oil or fire caused on the oil, then also the water is not used. If water is used in oil fire, then the water will be heavier than the oil. So if we throw water on the oil fire, then water will settle down, it will come down, and the oil will float over the water, which will spread the fire even more. Therefore, instead of using the water, fire extinguishers. The fire extinguishers are seen everywhere. All of you have seen fire extinguishers. The fire extinguishers which are used, they are of different type. They are manufactured according to the type of fire where they are to be applied. So mostly the fire extinguishers, they produce carbon dioxide. What does carbon dioxide do? Carbon dioxide does not support combustion. So whenever there is a fire extinguisher sprays carbon dioxide, which is sprayed over the fire. The carbon dioxide is a heavy gas, therefore it covers the fire and surrounds the fire, and therefore oxygen is not able to reach the fire and the fire gets extinguished. So fire extinguishers which are dry type, they are basically used in the fire where there is electrical fire, so to prevent electric shock. Some of the another fire extinguisher is wet fire extinguisher, where baking soda or washing soda is used and there is a container filled with sulfuric acid. So when the sulfuric acid mixes with the soda, it forms carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide gas comes out with the water inside and it extinguishes the fire. Another type of fire extinguisher shown here is the extinguisher where chemicals are used. They are containing dry soda. They just contain baking soda which is sprayed over the fire. So whenever there is a fire, the soda is sprayed in the form, it is kept inside the container at a high pressure, and it is just sprayed over the fire. It comes out in the form of a dust smoke. Types of combustion. The combustion can be of different type depending upon the type of fire caused. If we bring a burning matchstick near a gas stove in the kitchen, the fire is caused. Now turn on the knob of the gas stove and what will you see? You will see that the gas burns rapidly and it produces heat and light. The type of fire caused in the LPG gas depends on the type of combustion. Will be of different types. The first type of combustion is rapid combustion. Rapid, the word itself means quick. So when the burning takes place very quickly, then it is called rapid combustion. There are substances like phosphorus which burn in air at room temperature. So those substances which burn very quickly, they are said to have rapid combustion, like the burning of LPG gas which burns quickly. As soon as you bring matchstick near it, it catches fire. That is rapid combustion. Another type of combustion is when the material starts burning into flames without the application of any cause. So where some substance catches fire into flame without any reason, that is called spontaneous combustion. So spontaneous combustion will take place without the application of any fire. Spontaneous combustion of coal dust, where the coal powder burns, it starts burning into fire, causes disastrous effects in coal mines. So in the coal mines, sometimes the coal powder automatically burns without any fire. This causes The spontaneous combustion is also seen in the forest fires, where the fire in the forest mostly it is caused in the summer. So when the temperature is high, then the air becomes very dry, and the spontaneous combustion of the wood which takes place in the forest due to the lightning strike. So if there is a lightning strike, then the fire is caused on the wood and the fire spreads. However, most forest fires are due to the carelessness of human beings. So when there is a forest fire, most of the time it is the human reason where things are left in complete burning and then the fire spreads. We generally have fireworks on festival days. So whenever we see a firework on a festival day, when a cracker is ignited, a sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light and sound. Whenever there is an explosion which takes place in the firecrackers, that is called an explosion, where the fire is caused because of the explosion. So this is called a combustion where explosion takes place.